7 Powerful Benefits of Eating Oatmeal Every Day. Start today. Oatmeal, often hailed as a breakfast staple, is more than just a comforting and versatile meal option. Packed with essential nutrients, this humble grain offers a myriad of health benefits that make it a valuable addition to your daily diet. If you haven't made oatmeal a regular part of your routine, here are 7 powerful benefits that might just convince you to start enjoying this wholesome dish every day. 1. Heart Health Booster. One of the standout benefits of oatmeal is its positive impact on heart health. Oats are rich in beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber that has been shown to reduce cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of oatmeal can help lower both total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol associated with cardiovascular issues. By promoting heart health, oatmeal acts as a protective shield against conditions like heart disease and stroke, making it an excellent choice for those looking to prioritize cardiovascular well-being. 2. Weight management support. If you're on a journey to manage your weight, oatmeal can be your ally. The high fiber content in oats provides a sense of fullness, helping control appetite and prevent overeating. Additionally, oatmeal has a low energy density, meaning it provides fewer calories per gram compared to many other foods. This makes it a satisfying and nutritious choice for those aiming to shed pounds or maintain a healthy weight. 3. Blood sugar regulation. Oatmeal's complex carbohydrates are digested slowly, leading to a gradual and steady release of glucose into the bloodstream. This slow digestion helps regulate blood sugar levels and prevents rapid spikes and crashes, making it an ideal choice for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The fiber in oats also contributes to improved insulin sensitivity, promoting overall metabolic health. 4. Rich source of nutrients. Oatmeal is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It is a good source of B vitamins, including thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin, which play vital roles in energy metabolism. Oats also contain minerals like iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, contributing to various physiological functions such as oxygen transport, bone health, and immune system support. By incorporating oatmeal into your diet, you ensure a diverse and well-rounded intake of essential nutrients. 5. Digestive health promoter. The fiber content in oatmeal not only aids in weight management but also promotes a healthy digestive system. The insoluble fiber in oats adds bulk to the stool, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Additionally, the soluble fiber in oatmeal acts as a prebiotic, supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune system function. 6. Antioxidant protection. Oats are rich in antioxidants, including avenanthramides and ferulic acid, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-itching properties. These antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting overall health. Including oatmeal in your daily diet provides a tasty and effective way to boost your antioxidant intake and fortify your body's defense mechanisms. 7. Versatile and delicious. Beyond its health benefits, oatmeal is incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit various tastes and preferences. Whether you prefer it sweet or savory, hot or cold, the possibilities are endless. You can add a variety of toppings such as fresh fruits, nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of honey to enhance both the flavor and nutritional profile. This adaptability makes oatmeal an easy and enjoyable choice for breakfast or any meal throughout the day.